Coco, you can see the piping is going on now. The electrical piping, you can see it going on. You can see the piping. The iron bender we finished today. That's right. This is the staircase. This is the staircase. It's under conclusion. The piping is going on. Electrical work is going on. We want to cast this thing by Monday, Tuesday. So that you see the work going on. The electricals is going on. Electrical piping is going on. You can see it. Job done. The lockup you were asking of, you can see by yourself. You can see the lockup. The lockup you were asking, you can see it by yourself. You can see it by yourself. You can see the lockup by yourself. You can see it. You can see it locked up. It is not open. You can see it locked up. The work is going on. You can see the returning of that cantilever. You can see how it's returned. You can see it's round, returned with full almost 10 feet, 6 feet from it. The road I cut on your cut. Return here. But it's a return chai. I hope you're seeing it. How it was returned. So the work is going on well. It's going on well. Electrical work. You can see the electrical piping. You can see the 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 piping. Case. This. You can see the piping inside. Okay, from the piping inside. Not every engineer will do this piping. No. Piping because you only deck. I remove my hand. But see, I am piping for you from decky to down. Hang a bit to their boxes. You see the chiseling. You can see the chiseling. You can see the pipe coming down from up. All these things are coming down. You can see You can see the chiseling. You can see the chiseling. The pipes are coming down. They have not finished it. You can see piping. You can see they're working on it. You can see the piping. You can see the piping all around. So that is it. So let's see what happens by God's grace.